Today's video is a collaboration with Lulu Aesthetic, posting more aesthetic and aesthetically pleasing content for teen girls. Make sure to subscribe to her and you won't regret it. Hello beautiful friends. In this video, I will be sharing some healthy lunchbox ideas for school. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification bell too. Let's get right into it. Healthy and nutritious school lunches for girls are important for their growth and development. Here are 20 healthy school lunch ideas that you can consider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video. Until next time, stay clean, stay neat, and stay fabulous.